them haven't made me read that one because it's about cause between the memes and the comments, you must hear. You must hear. So somebody bite Beyonce. Yeah, I say bite like B-I-T-E, big bite, nyamar, bite. But who? So the popular, I'm sorry, I can't stop laughing. The popular hashtag who bit Beyonce started circulating after Girls Trip actress Tiffany Haddish shared a story with GQ. There was this actress that's just like doing the mostest, Haddish said, keeping the biter's identity to herself. She bit Beyonce in the face, like bit her in the face. Now celebrities are piping up to declare their innocence. Hear this now. The suspects include Sunny Layton, Sarah Foster, Lena Dunham, and Rihanna. Poor Rihanna. What Rihanna do about? Anyway, Gwyneth Paltrow, Queen Latifah, Taraji P. Henson, Chrissy Teigen. Now,
and on my list, there's a number 9, Sakina Dare.
Me never bite her. Why would I bite her?
She did Jamaica the other day.
And I never come to hello, so I just bite. No, but never bite Beyonce. They wouldn't even get close enough to her for bite her.
So somebody get close enough for bite her.
Man, I know. I don't. Nobody never bite Beyonce. Don't start with foolishness. Ain't nobody bite Beyonce. Everybody just like to run joke with her. If I meet her, I would bite her. I would bite her at all. I would hail her and carry her, go to party and to play and talk to her. I mean, did I say if I met her? I mean, if she came and spoke.
Okay. Oh.
You're not talking about yours, mine done.
Well,
Usain
Bolt has long... Yeah, take my tea.
No, I'm switching the tea. Will you do your job?
Don't take my tea.
Do your job.
Usain Bolt has long expressed an interest in playing football after retiring from sprinting. He even played in an all-star five-a-side friendly match in Basel, Switzerland, in the match of friendship game when he was coached by Manchester United boss Jose Mourinho. According to Mourinho, Usain has a double meaning for him. It's the meaning of what he represents in the history of sports and also what he represents in the history of humanity. That's big. Now, Bolt is set to play at the United's Old Trafford United Stadium in UNICEF's Soccer Aid match in June against Robbie Williams, along with other celebrity and football stars. Yeah, so Bolt, and he's also been on trial with Borussia Dortmund. So he's trying new things. Other people have said he's been very idle.
Yeah.
But I'm
all right about idle. We have a little video clip right now, so let's see the video clip.
Celebrities, legends, and a brand new captain for the Soccer Aid World 11.
Robbie, let me entertain you.
Usain, you can run, but you can't hide.
Stick to singing and leave the football to me.
This year's match is going to be bigger and better than ever. Expect more action, more goals, more of this.
Soccer Aid for UNICEF is a game like no other.
With your support, we'll help children in danger around the world.
And together, we make an unbeatable team.
Get your tickets at manunited.com/socceraid.
There you tell. And what Mourinho said, what he represents in the history of humanity. A little country boy, as he put it, from Trelawney.
I like it, I never did that twang. Together. I was like, yay.
Yeah. It's great stuff. Great stuff.
Oh, I'm going to know you're saying, yeah, our teammate mother like meats.
Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah, you. I'd really like to meet him, so, you know, if you get to know him very well, he want to come to Jamaica. He can come with his wife. I just want to meet him and have him cook something for me.
Just text him, man. Text both.
I must text both.
Yeah, man.
Right, and me, you want Cassie beat.
Yeah, man. Just text him and say.
That's all, guys, for trending topics this morning.
Just text him.
I mean, you want to get
me. Give the number.
No thanks. It's all right. I'm good.
Yeah, Pop, fight a road.